Have the other lift in the Toki Rata block. This is the lift in the other wing, because there's two wings to this building separated by a road. There's only one lift in this building, and it's an Otis ReGen. Don't think this one has a chime on it though. No, it doesn't. Very nice. It's got a side panel on this one. Yeah, there's no fourth floor in this side of the building, so the indicator doesn't have an arrow. Yay, the ReGen light is working. Here we go. Look at that green door open button. We'll go back to 0. And door close button like that. So these are Shanghai step PV31 buttons. These standard fixtures for the ReGen fixture line, as is the indicator. Makes a nice change from concave. It's nice to have Otis use something different for a while. We'll have another ride. I mean, they've been using concave buttons since like 1995. It's about time they came up with a new style, even if it's not a fixture line they designed themselves. But it's still nice. I quite like these buttons actually. Right, now we'll take a silent ride on the way down so we can listen to the motor. To finish off, we'll just go back to 1, because level 0 is actually below ground. So I want to go back up to 1 so I can go to the overbridge back into the rest of the campus. And here are 1. There's your capacity. Oh wow, unattended operation. Oh, what's in there? Not a lot. Wow, I wonder what that's for. Interesting. This lift doubles as both a passenger lift and a freight lift, so it gets used for both. That's why it's such a large size lift. But that's really nice. And that's it.